This man kept hearing strange noises under his driveway. It led to an astounding discovery. A 37-year-old man named Simon stumbled across something incredibly strange. He has been living in the same house for quite some time, but it wasn't until recently he discovered something he wasn't aware of. One day, as he pulled into his driveway and tried to park his car, he stumbled upon something that he believed was a flower bed. The wheels of his car got stuck and he heard strange cracking noises coming from underneath his driveway. When he kneeled down to inspect the issue, he noticed that his driveway had been cracked. He then called his father for help and both of them decided to do some digging. They were digging for hours and hours, and when they finally opened the driveway, they found something strange. There was a staircase leading underground. It looked rusted and worn down, as if it had been like that for hundreds of years. After the man went down the staircase, he realized it was a tunnel that led to his neighbors' houses. This was incredibly strange because he had lived in the house for many years and he was not aware of this. The tunnel appeared to be a shelter that was built in World War II.